Oh my. Dude, there's no way I just witnessed that. And here we go. Oh yeah. Who's at my property? Who's that? Chick-fil-A, rental car Chick-fil-A. Oh my God. Wow. Whoa, holy sh. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. As you just saw, we're finally building feeding slabs for the animals. I've been talking about this for months, like months. And I get a lot of comments every video, oh, why do you throw the food into the dirt? Well, one, let's be honest, they're pigs. They'll eat literally trash. But that doesn't give me the reason not to build these feed slabs, so we're finally getting around to it. We had a lot of other projects, like obviously the turtle house and the many ponds we've been building, but we have some free time. Hector came over with the guys and they're building feed slabs for the animals that we don't feed in bowls. So Lady May and Mango, of course, they eat out of bowls. If you see, they've got their bowls inside the enclosure. Look at this one. This is a big feeding slab. This is gonna be a massive one, and that's because obviously there's a lot of pigs in here. There's 11 pigs. We're gonna put that feeding slab right here. Big old piece of concrete. I know they'll definitely like that, and not only that, it'll actually help when they walk on it and they're not eating, shave their hoofs down naturally. And not only that, if they're eating it off of the concrete, it's also gonna shave their teeth down naturally as well, and their tusks. So there's a lot of benefits to having this, and it's finally time that we did it. And I didn't know how much concrete we were gonna need, so we literally just bought an entire pallet full of concrete. We're running some power today as well to the turtle house over there. But as you can see, just this little slab that we've got so far has already used a lot of bags of concrete, and it ain't even done yet. Mixing up that concrete. It is so bright out today. I can barely get film. Mia, it is extremely bright, Mimi. They walk around the farm together everywhere. Whenever Mia's out, your Ginger Ninja's not far behind. Right, buddy?
Vamos a ponerle el rebar. We have some rebars, amigo.
Nice. Just hopes what? Keep it a little stronger.
Yeah.
And this is just covering the concrete but allowing airflow, because we all know you guys are very, very curious animals, and you're gonna try to jump on that the second we walk away, if not as we're here. Big 8x3 is going in. This thing is massive. Whoa, big old bully right here, Duke. Hey Duke, back off. You look how big you are compared to everyone else. There's a reason for that. Get out of here. Let everyone else eat. Yeah, you're getting all hangry now, aren't you? Let everyone else eat. Remember what we were saying about the goats being curious animals? Little baby is literally, he's laying, sleeping on the plywood. Over here we're finishing up this one. This is gonna be a big slab, and I know the pigs are gonna be happy to be eating off of this. Step by step by step by step, the property just becomes more of a property. And as you know, we're building a pool right here, hot tub right here, big pool, and that is getting the permits and everything right now. Obviously a contractor builds that. Took a loan out, don't worry. But it'll help the value of my home. And not only that, I want a pool. Cannot wait to get it. That starts this month. The construction starts this month. They'll start like breaking ground. And I think they said by summer, the pool will be like totally done. But technically, you might take a loan out, but the equity in the home will then pay for that investment later on down the road. Because if I build a pool here, every house in my neighborhood that has a pool skyrockets, like double what the pool costs. Mom, Dad, I promise it's a smart decision. Let's hop on into the building while they're working out there on the slabs. Look at this pond. This is the first look at it completely ready to put water in. If you are aware, I got everything out of inside the pond. We sweeped it out last night. I was just sitting in here cleaning it up. I did a little bit more silicone work on the inside stuff, like I saw. You can see, no you can't. The bead that I had done a day prior though is looking so fantastic. I mean, it is, I got better at that, that's for sure. This window is in, it's fully ready to go. It's ready to get water put in. Which leads me to my next point. This is obviously not the salt water, this is the fresh water. But in order to put the salt water in, we're not gonna pay $600 for a truck to come fill it up like we do this one. Prior to that, we fill it with fresh, make sure there's no leaks. If that passes the test, then we get the truck to come. Straighten this one, and here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh, Daddy Longleg. Oh, I've got you. He was gonna drown. Now, if you walk back into the pond, that's on you. There he is. He's got a little bit of water on him, but he'll dry off. Hey, why are you coming back into the pond? Get out of here. Apparently, I heard that these have the deadliest bite, but their fangs are too small to even penetrate into a human. Not sure if that's right, but if that is true, let me know in the comments down below. That's what I heard. Anyway, back to the water. I'm getting, it's actually starting to fill up really fast. I need to get the heck out of here. Oh my God, I thought I just crushed the daddy long leg. I just remembered I put him up here. I'm like, dude, he's done. No, but he escaped it. He went under the pond right here. Thank goodness. I thought I crushed him. The pond is filling up though. I am so excited to see a leak out of this window right now. I mean, to not see a leak out of this window right now. This saltwater pond over here had a slight leak. I believe it was it was that window over there in the corner right there. But once we fixed that leak, there was no more problems. And ever since, this has just been absolutely fantastic. No leaks, nothing. Look at these fish. This is gonna take hours and hours and hours and hours to fill. If I had to guess, I'm gonna give you my rough estimate. This is a 5 to 6 hour fill up right now. And in the meantime, outside, we are gonna finish these slabs, which obviously they're almost done with this one, just the top layer to go. And then all the animals will also be able to eat off a clean plate. Who's at my property? Who's that? Chick-fil-A, rental car Chick-fil-A. I know, look at this. I just tracked Brenton 32 minutes away trying to hide from me. I had a gut feeling this man was in my, dude, I had a gut feeling. Gio.
He knew it. I'm telling you, he knew it.
I knew it, bro. I literally knew it. Oh, I knew it! Dude, I knew it. I knew it. I called it. You didn't get me this time.
I wish you came through that door. That's where I was.
I go around. I go, dude. I feel like Brenton's here, dude. And I just look at my phone. I track you, and it won't load, but it looks Boynton Beach 32 minutes.
Oh,
I'm like, he's here.
Dang it!
Oh my God, dude. What do you think, bro? Oh, it's actually filling pretty quick too.
Dude, the window
is massive.
It's so big.
It is massive.
Oh my God. I mean, dude, comparing this one, it's so big.
Dude, people don't, I swear the camera does not do it. You can't tell how big this is compared to that. People are like, put the community fish into here and put the predatory fish into that. That is tiny compared to this.
Why do I think this is way bigger than that? Like,
I know.
Like, I think that holds more water, like for sure. Oh my God.
Hey, check out this work. Silicone buddy.
Dude.
Pretty good, huh?
This is fire, it worked.
They call me Hector Ramirez 2.0.
No, they don't.
I know. Yeah, you're right. Check it out. The water has met the window. No leaks. No leaks on the bottom half quite yet. What a miracle it would be with no leaks. And I really do have a gut feeling there's gonna be none. I could be wrong. Look at the pond. I just keep grabbing the camera to do updates on this, but we are over halfway filled now. And not a single bit of water. Not a single bit. We're gonna let it sit for a couple hours, of course, once it is fully filled up. But Brenton, not a single bit of water, bro.
Dude, this could be an actual, like, full-size swimming pool.
Hector!
Oh my God, his ass is out.
Hector walks in. He sees Brenton's ass and me standing up here like this. All right. Brenton, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hector, are you ready?
1 second. All right, let's go.
All right. Oh my!
I got soaked. I got actually soaked. Dude, you made a huge splash.
Look at the ceiling. The ceiling's dripping water. That couldn't have been timed any better.
Yeah.
First time swimming in the pond. No leaks yet. We'll get back to when this thing is. Oh my God. I forgot the water was on Cuffaro's. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. Wow. Whoa. Holy sh. That's deep. On the bright side, this isn't from a leak. That's the good news. I can put a smile on my face knowing that the entire window is completely sealed. No leaks. No leaks around the pond as of right now. Wow. Slab is done. As you can see, the pigs are like standing on it already, but I'm super excited to feed them for the very first time. We've been talking about this for like months. That's the craziest part, like actually months. Wow. Duke is such a bully. Duke, get your body off the foods. He puts his whole body across so no one else can eat. You're such a bully, dude. Well, I know for a fact this slab is a great idea. Now when it's also muddy and rainy out and they go jump on the fence and splats dirt all over me, that won't happen either because the slabs are right there. So all you guys looking at me right now won't get me dirty when it's soaking wet outside, right, King? All right, let's get a big old scoop. Let me fool all of you guys. I'm coming this way, psych. Oh my, dude, there's no way I just witnessed that. There's no way. Oscar, you gotta take it easy, bro. Like, for real, for real. Boots, are you okay, brother? That was to the noggin. Oscar, take it easy, dude. That was not cool. Yeah. Anyway, now, the other pigs over here, they eat out of the bowl. So, obviously, Lady May, Mango, we mentioned this earlier, they didn't need a slab done because they eat out of bowls. Just like that. Yesterday, all the pigs got new bedding, too, so clean, fresh bed sheets for all the pigs. I've been lacking on the farm content, so I decided today was just a great vlog day. We'll spend some time in both the building and outside with the animals. Today we got some dirt coming in from this post all the way over to that post. It's gonna fill this up a little bit, maybe like 4 or 5 inches of dirt. That way when it rains, that water tends to just push this way and leave a little bit drier land towards the home. We had some leftover concrete as well, and we made a little slab for these guys. They eat out of their bowls, but sometimes they like to eat off the ground too. So I decided to make, I've never seen you jump and say hello. Hi, buddy. What a video full of just action. I mean, just working, getting things done. And the craziest part is, to be honest with you, making videos for 7 years, over 1,000 uploads. These are my favorite videos to not only film, because things are getting done, but edit as well. Love to edit them. Let's check on the pond. It is the next morning. Did I mention that? Well, looks like we don't got any leaks. I'll keep an eye on it, of course. I don't think we have any leaks. This looks pretty solid. It did since the beginning. No leaks around the window, and that's probably where I thought it would leak if it did anywhere. Now that we know there's no leaks, it's a great start, but what we're gonna need to do now is get our sand. We have some sand being shipped just like the last one, and then we do the structure, which this time I think I'm gonna do individual rocks glued and make it like an actual like full reef. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. And then we're ready to get the truck of salt water and pump it in. Few more steps, all that will probably be done in one video once the time comes. Make sure you subscribe down below. We didn't have any leaks. I actually forgot the water was on and it overflowed and filled the whole entire building up with water. That was our leak this time. Thankfully, this building is built so that all that could happen. I have nothing on the floor that could really get ruined. We ruined a couple things like my couch. As you can see, that absorbed some water. My rug is completely ruined for sure. But we have these big drains on the outside of the building. See that? That pushes out. Yeah, those are on this building on purpose. They made me. Because there's a lot of water in here. If all these just decided to burst one day, which that ain't gonna happen. Who engineered these? Hector. It ain't happening. But yeah, they made us put a whole bunch of those around the whole building. They're called floodgates. Anyway, enough nonsense talk. The pond didn't leak. We're good to go, Cuffaros. Hopefully you believed in me. Smash the like button, share this video with a friend. And I really hope to see you here in the very next video. Peace out.